Shot is on the beat, baby. Raw, that's RJ on the track.
Mucho le chingué, no estuvo pelada.
Alright, so we're back. Finally the speed engineering headers are here. Got them right here, as you can see. With these head gaskets, I've used them before. They work pretty good. Other than that, the multi-layer ones, but didn't want to wait on parts. So, and after that, we're gonna go ahead and put this water pumps back on. Put the gaskets for that, the hoses for the radiator and the AC back on, and plug everything back in, and should be ready to start. Not getting started right now. It is what, midnight right now currently. So yeah. So we got the headers on. We got all the harness, throttle body all wired up, or the cables on. The hoses for the radiator, the expansion tank, the AC lines all ran. Just needed the water pump. Gaskets, which I can't find anymore. All right, well, it's the next day. I went ahead and finished everything that I had to do. I put the oil filter, and threw some coolant. I do have I have to find like two plugs to plug two holes that the Mishimoto radiator has on the driver's side. Other than that, we're gonna see if it starts, and after that, it's ready for them to take it to go get tune it, and the E-fans installed or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. Got my my jumper on there. Give it a little extra juice because battery does seem a little weak. So. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the O2 sensors because I think I forgot to plug them in. So I got the O2 sensors connected. Let's give it another try. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to the channel. Comment down below. Let's see what do you guys think it is that it's not starting. Oh, once it start, we're almost there, guys. Seems like the battery is just dead from sitting so long.
Reaction to the whiskey, reaction to the whip. This is what we've been building for. This is what all the effort is for.
For like a while. I just wanted to hear it run, and that's it. Alright, go. Hold the gas pedal a little bit.
Holy.
Monster. Hey, but it's good. Yeah. I need to find those things.
It's gonna be a.
Ooh, that be running. Ooh, that.
Damn. Fuck. That was like a gun, I guess, right there.
That's everything you spilled out.
Okay.
Well, there you guys have it. Finally turned on with starting fluid. Thinking something with the fuel trim, the tune and the fuel trims. But there you go. That's it for this one. It's a wrap. On to the next. And if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Catch you guys on the next one.
Trocas perras era el sueño que tenía, desde morro con ansias de ser alguien en la vida.